Hello everyone, welcome to my world kitchen channel. Today I'm going to make a shrimp vindaloo with vegetables, and this is the ingredients. Then let's put that up together and let's get started. It's easy to peel if it's already like this. You don't have to cut it already anymore. I peeled the tail. That works. Okay, now we need to blend some of these ingredients, half of this. We need to save this one for garnish later. And half of the cilantro. Half of this ginger, and all of this garlic, a little salt, half of this, I mixed the turmeric and paprika together. Now this is 1 cup, so it's just like 1/4 of it. Now, are you ready for a noise? Oops. Haha. Oh. Smell good. Okay, this looks awesome. Okay, let's add some oil. We'll add the cloves. Keep sauteing the cloves until the smell comes out. Now let's add a ginger. Now let's add the shrimp. Saute like 2 minutes. Let's add the squash. Just let the squash cook like 2 minutes. Now let's add the peppers. Let's add a dried tomato. If you don't have dried tomato, you can do dried also chili, dried chili. This is my own version of Vindaloo. I'd like to try my own version. I'd like to try my own creation. Okay, let's put the sauce right there. There are some people also cook different way, am I right? I think also you guys do that too yourself. This is my own version. Okay, let's put the broth. I like my Vindaloo a little bit of sauce in it. There you go. Just put your fire in high and don't cover up. Just let it simmer like that, open. Smell good. Simmer that like 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, here's my own version of shrimp vindaloo with vegetables. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and share with your friends and families. Alright, see you next time. Alright, let's try my vindaloo. What it tastes like. So my shrimp, the shrimp. It's so good. I'm not gonna lie. So good.